Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on roaming clock in Samsung Galaxy S22. By default this function should be turned on, but if it's not, we have to do it manually. How to do it? We need to go to settings, then in lock screen we have our roaming clock. What does it do? As you can see from the description, show the time both where you are and at home while you are roaming. As you can see, it's turned off, so we just need to check this little box right here, and now we can have our roaming clock as it was by default. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.